Hello everyone, it's EuniveKitchen Tumblers, and today we are going to do the Zindee acrylic blank 3-inch letters. Today we're going to be using Arteza's 28 colored but 32 bottle premium water-based pour over paints. And it's 32 different vials, but we do have 4 whites and 2 black, so that's why it's 28 colors. But these are just phenomenal. Just take a look at all the colors that you get in this set. So again, Arteza is really there for you to get, you know, your whole kit taken care of at one time. And you want these types of water-based paints for your acrylic pouring because you don't want to have to worry about mixing them with the water and, you know, whatever other solution, so that you can do your dirty pours. So it's already done for you and it's amazing. So today we're going to work on them with our acrylic blanks. These are the colors that I'll be using. You want to always make sure that you have a white or a black base that you apply not only to your colors as you put them in together, but you also want to apply it to the base of whatever item that you're using. When you pour your colors into your cup, you want to kind of pour them to the side, but you want to be sure not to mix them up and just kind of randomly pour them, because this is an abstract art, so you're going to formulate something different every single time. So don't stress about it, just do it and then pour directly onto your item, and then you'll want to pick it up and move it around to kind of adjust where everything flows and to cover the complete surface. And in a completely optional step here is to add some gilded flakes. I'm using gold, but of course you can use copper, silver, whatever you like. Here we're going to repeat the same steps, but you're going to see that I'm going to use white as one of my colors and black is going to be my base. You'll see that I pour some black in there as well, but my main color is going to, or my base color is going to be the black. You're going to want to let this dry for a minimum of 24 hours. It will be dry to touch in about 4 hours, but definitely let it cure and dry for 24 hours before you move on to the next step. Now we're going to move on to the UV resin part. You're going to use a UV resin and at least a 48 watt or higher light to cure your UV resin. So you're just going to place some in the center and then spread it out evenly all around your acrylic blank. At this point you can let it sit for a little bit and kind of even out, and then you can set it up under your light for 60 seconds at least 3 times. So while we let the ink cure, we're going to go ahead and remove the protective backing on the K. And now that our E is cured, we're going to go ahead and remove the protective backing on that as well. You can always use your X-Acto knife to punch out the hole if any resin got in there. And that's it. Just add your hardware. You can add whatever trinkets you desire and make it look really cute. You can put some pom-pom puffs on there. You can, you know, put some resin molds that you may have completed on there and just kind of have fun with it. And there you have a quick and easy fun gift that you can give to someone, or you can use to kind of mark your bags or your lunch boxes or give it a little flair. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications to be notified when I upload my next video. Bye.